Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. Please get your math book, and we are on lesson 5, topic 2, lesson 5. Today's lesson, we're not doing anything new. We're just using problems sentence. So we need to read the sentence and find out what we have to do. All right. So let's start and go page 77.
There are 4 rows in a classroom. 2 rows have 3 tables in each row. 2 rows have 4 tables in each row. How many tables are there in all? Draw a picture and write an equation to model and solve the problem.
All right, let's see what we have here.
Pat has 3 boxes. Each box has 5 marbles inside. How many marbles does Pat have in all? You can use a model to show and solve the problem. What does it mean to use a model? It means draw a picture or show what is happening in the problem.
An equation is a model too.
You can draw an array and write an equation to show how many marbles in all. What does each row of the array represent?
Select your answer.
All right.
Each row of the array represents a box of marbles. There are 3 rows because there are 3 boxes of marbles. Each row has 5 red circles because each box has 5 marbles. What equation matches the array? You can write the equation 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. There are 5 marbles in each box, and there are 3 boxes. So you can add 5 plus 5 plus 5 to find the total number of marbles is 15. You can also draw a bar diagram and write an equation to show how many marbles in all. The circles stand for the number of marbles. There are 3 boxes, and inside each box there are 5 marbles. What does the 15 mean?
15 is the total for the 3 rows or the 3 boxes.
15 is the total number of marbles. You can add the number of marbles in each box to find the total. You can write the equation 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. The pictures show the same number of marbles in 2 different ways. The equations and answers are the same. Pat has 15 marbles in all.
So in this example, we use the rows. So we say we have 3 rows, and in each row we have 5 marbles or 5 dots, which represents marbles. So that's why we said 5 plus 5 plus 5 3 times. This if we using the rows. But if we decided to do by columns, so we're going to have how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in each column, we have 3 marbles or 3 dots or 3 counters. So we're going to say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 5 times. And if we count them, we should have the total 15. All right.
Show me. How does drawing a picture and writing an equation help you model a problem?
Because when you draw a picture, it helps you to show what is happening. So you know that equation help you to see. But when we draw it, it helps you to understand and to help you also to get the right answer, because you have the picture, you count, and you're giving your right answer for your equation. Okay, draw a picture and write an equation to show each problem, then solve it. All right. Ray has 2 rows of books. He has 5 books in each row. How many books does Ray have in all? So I know that he has 2 rows, and in each row we have 5 books. We're going to draw 5 counters or 5 circles. So these are 2 rows, and each row have 5. So 5 plus 5 equals, very good, 10. You can write here. Right? All right, let's see. I'll do one more example with you, and then you will do the rest on your own. All right, draw a picture and write an equation to show each problem, then solve it. Mika has 4 rows of playing cards. If there are 4 playing cards in each row, how many cards does Mika have? So she has 4 rows, okay, and each row has 4 cards. So I'm gonna use my stamps. I need to do 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and each row has 4 cards. That's mean 4 dots in each. So now I have 4 and 4, right? So we need to write an equation. So what are we gonna say? I'm gonna write them here, up there, because I don't have space on the bottom. So I'm gonna say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 times, because I have 4 rows, and in each row I have 4 cards or 4 counters. So I'm gonna say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. I know my doubles. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So they have, in all, they have 16 cards. All right. So as I said, we're not doing anything different. Just we have that sentence. You need to read the sentence and find out how many rows, how many columns, and then how many times you're gonna add and translate this in a picture. So that's why you have this box to draw, and then you do your equation. All right, so that was the last lesson for topic 2, second graders. Now you have to do the rest of the activity, which is like simple addition. And let me show you what we have. So simple addition, you start and you have simple addition and subtraction. So you put your answer, and that will help you to get fluency in addition when you start, and if there's double or without doubles. So some of them are doubles, some near doubles, some just simple, either addition or subtraction. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.